Hello, this is the fourth video showing the progress of the DevCommander, and this time we've got push messaging working, which I'll explain properly in a moment. But there's been a few comments. The biggest comment was about the media player. I didn't explain properly that when I go into the media player, these song titles are all that's sent across. So it wasn't the audio. There's no audio going from the phone to the device. The device is Raspberry Pi in there with an SD card full of MP3s. And all that happens when I just choose it is the titles go over and I instruct it to start playing. Okay, so now we've got that out of the way. Let's go back to the home screen. There we go. To start showing the push messaging. So I'm back on the system screen just to prove it works with a really boring version of a push message. You're going to hear a little tinkle at the top. Oops, way down one. There we go. Got one. Haven't got one there now. So if I go back to send a push message, a bit tricky with two hands needed there. Right, send a push message. There, that little noise we heard was the push message coming in, and it's a regular Android notification. So that's just a health check. That's a system screen, and it's telling me that everything's working okay. Also, people are interested in the back end of this, so I've set up the login system, and I'll do it again. Let's just put the phone down. I'll send another push message from here, but if you watch this screen, this is showing the live audit of the server, sort of system parameters. And somebody else was interested in the database part, so this screen here shows the database. If I just repeat this query, you can see we're up to 94 events. An action came in. I haven't shown all the parameters. You see various phones registering and so on, but the point is there's 94 events. So let's send a push message again. We can see the update there, and that will have logged in the database, and now we've got 95 events, and that was the audit of that event there. And obviously if it's hitting a permanent database, that means you can get your stats, you can get your graphs, and look at your quotas and so on. Right, that was the basics. Let's see what it means in practice. We've got a new device. We've got a cat flap. So I'll put the thing into cat flap mode. And we can see there, we've got hello kitty 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 cat flap. Now you're going to imagine you may be running the app, or you've got something elsewhere, you're out away from the home, and kitty goes through the cat flap. So let's trigger this. Trigger cat flap. There we go. So just to prove it, you can be doing anything else in Android. We've got the DevCommander there, so clear that one up. Doing anything else in Android again, I'll trigger it again. Okay, so the app doesn't have to be running, and in fact that is more important when we go into the burglar alarm mode. So I'll go back into burglar alarm. Now I'm in burglar alarm mode. I can, in practice, you're not using your phone, so I'll shut this down. So I'll prove it's on, but it's locked. See, I've got to go into the lock screen to switch it on again. This is what you'd normally do. Burglar alarm's primed. I'm going through my day. I've got my phone in my pocket, and then something happens. So I'll put it down. I'll put it to the side because we're going to get audio on both the alarm, on both the device locally and on the phone. And it's the same sound, so they're so quick you can't tell them apart. But you've got to remember, this isn't connected to anything apart from the cloud. So I could be in another country. I could be absolutely anywhere. The message does not know that these things are next to each other. It will just deliver it to the device. So we'll put it separate a little bit over here. And let's trigger the burglar alarm. And there we go. So you notice the handset went off first. The handset is still locked, so it delivers it to the lock screen as you would do. And I go in and bingo, the burglar alarm's there. And the audit's here and the log. Obviously, we've got all the information we need to retry these and to alert different things. But the application itself wasn't running. If the app's not running, and it still gives you that sound. Okay, there's push messaging. And I don't know... Wow, perfect timing. Okay, should have some even more interesting things in the fifth video. Thanks for watching.